In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert Watermark in Microsoft Excel. Watermarks are a simple way to add branding or a clear label to a spreadsheet. They can also help indicate a document status, like draft or confidential, while still letting your data stay readable. Today, you will place a logo watermark on your Excel sheet and adjust it so it looks the way you want. First, look at the top of Excel where you see the ribbon. The ribbon is the toolbar area with tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, and more. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. When you click Insert, you will notice the available tools change. This is where Excel groups options for adding images, shapes, and other elements to your worksheet. Next, you will choose the option that lets you place an image. In the Insert tab area, find the option called Pictures and click it. This command opens a menu that gives you different ways to select an image. This step matters because the watermark will be created from the logo file you already have. Now, select this device. After you click Pictures, look for the choice labeled This Device. Click it to open your computer's file browser. This is where you will browse to the image you want to use as the watermark. Make sure you are selecting the correct logo file, since the watermark will match that image exactly. Once the file browser opens, find your logo on your device. Navigate through your folders, such as Downloads or Documents, until you see your logo file. Then select the logo file so it is highlighted, and confirm the selection. Excel will then insert the image onto the worksheet. At this point, you should see the logo appearing on your sheet, usually near the center or in a default position. You may need a moment to look at where it lands, because that placement is not always the exact watermark location you want. Before you change anything, take a quick look to confirm the logo is the correct one and that it is clearly visible. Now you will change the size of the watermark image. Click the logo image so it becomes selected. When an image is selected, you will typically see small resizing handles around the edges. You can drag those handles to adjust the size. Resize the watermark so it is large enough to be noticeable, but not so large that it blocks the main content of the spreadsheet. As you resize, pay attention to readability. Your goal is usually a watermark that is present in the background while your numbers, text, and table formatting remain easy to read. If the logo is too big, reduce it. If it is too small, increase it slightly. Take your time here so the final result looks balanced across the page. After resizing, you can also reposition the watermark if needed. Even though the main instruction is to change the size accordingly, it is helpful to ensure the placement looks intentional. You can click and drag the image to move it into the area you want, such as centered behind your data. Move it gently and observe how it interacts with the cells in the background. When the watermark size and position look right, you are essentially finished. The key parts were inserting the logo through the Insert tab, selecting it from your device, and then adjusting the image so it fits the worksheet properly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.